the figure below shows a rhombus ABCD. So ABCD over here. Rhombus means that there are two sets of parallel lines. So this one is the two set of parallel lines, and this one is another set of parallel lines. And all sides are equal. Okay, so all sides are equal, right? Meaning that this angle is the same as this angle, and this angle is the same as this angle. But these two angles are not the same. Now, they say that the rhombus is divided into 6 parts with 3 straight lines, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, but this is actually not very important to you. It's more like trying to confuse you. It's not important at all. Now, they're asking us to go and find the sum of x plus y, which is this angle plus this angle. Let's try to strategize. In order to find this angle, okay, do you see that this is quadrilateral? From here, all the way to here, to here, to here. This is a four-sided figure, right? Now, in order to find x plus y, I need to find out this angle. Okay, after I find this angle, I need to find this angle. After I find these two angles, remember for quadrilateral, your teacher should have taught you that all quadrilaterals, the angle will add up to 360 degrees. So as long as you find this angle, and then you find this angle, and then you take 360 degrees minus this and minus this, you'll be able to get x plus y. Okay, now let's move on to this one. How are you going to find this one? In order to find this one, you have to find the entire thing over here. Okay, so in order to find this one, since it's a rhombus, these are parallel lines, which means that the two internal angles, this and this, will add up to 360 degrees. So I want to find this one first. So in order to find this one, I'm going to take, 180 degrees. This one plus this one will become 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 minus 74. 180 minus 74, and that will give me 106. Now this entire thing is 106. And this is a diagonal cutting from A all the way to C, which means that this is half. Okay, each of this portion is half of 106. So I'm going to take 106 divided by 2, and that will give me 53 degrees. So I've gotten 1. So I've gotten 53 degrees over here. Now the next part I want to find will be here. Do you see that this one is a straight line? If this is a straight line, right, this small angle that I want plus 82 will give me 180 degrees. So I want to find this small angle over here. So I'm going to take 180 degrees minus 82, and that will be equal to 98 degrees Celsius. 98 degrees. So now that I got my 190, I got my 98, and then I got my 53. I just take 360 minus 53 minus 98. And what would that give me? Okay, so take 360 minus 53 minus 98, and that will give me 209 degrees. That's actually how you find your x and y. Now, before that, what I did not tell you all is that for each of the working that you all write, you all must give the reason. Okay, now this one is, you are basing it on the fact, right, of interior angles. Remember I told you that this is a cave, and these two angles add up together to become 180 degrees. It's because both of them are interior angles. Interior angles in a rhombus will add up to 180 degrees. So the reasoning for this, right, we have to put this one, interior angle. So short form INT, angle short form will be like that. This is the reasoning. Now the second one is 106 divided by 2. So for each of them, right, the diagonal will split it into 2 equal portion. For this one, there is no reasoning, so this one there's no need to write. I mean, there's a reasoning, but there's no need to write this reasoning. The next portion, they say that this one is 180 minus 82 to get this one, right? The reasoning is because angles on a straight line equals to 180 degrees. So I'm going to write here, angles on a straight ST dot line. So this will be my reasoning. The next portion is because all the angles in a quadrilateral add up to become 360 degrees, which is why I took 360 degrees minus 53, this small angle, and minus this 98 angle, and then I'll be able to get x and y. For this one, it's actually angles inside a quadrilateral, but there's no need to write for this one. Okay, so this is actually how you do it. Done.